Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Jhosfine here. In today's video we're going to be doing a very soft everyday glam, soft on the eyes, soft on the skin, soft on the lips, soft everywhere. Okay, so it's a soft glam makeup tutorial and I hope you guys are going to love it. Don't forget to subscribe before we move into the tutorial. Okay, subscribe, join the family, we'll love to have you here. Let's go. My hair is looking very rough. I need to go get new braids, but for now let me just scarf them and keep them in place. I'm applying moisturizer and this is from Blossom Makeup. They are cream moisturizer with hyaluronic acid. You know, you always have to moisturize your skin. Whether you're oily, you're not oily. If you're dry, you need it more. But when you're oily, you still have to moisturize because this hydrates your skin very well. I'm priming my skin with the Flawless Ivy Optimus Prime Face Primer. This is a silicone-based primer. It's just going to blur your pores, makes your face feel smooth. It's not a mattifying primer. I use this when I want a very I don't want an extra matte look. Like I want it to be dewy a little bit, you know. This is what I use. I'm mixing these two foundations. I love to mix foundation. This is the My Chic cover proof oil control foundation. This is in the shade 06, and this is the Miss Lauretta matte silk foundation. This is in the shade 04. I love to mix foundations. It's just my thing. One is too dark for me, one is too light, so I just mix both to get my perfect kind of shade. See how it perfectly matches me. I'm matching the foundation to my neck because my neck is darker than my body, and I always match my foundation to my body, so I don't want my neck to look extra dark and my face will be like extra bright and it's not going to correspond. We don't want that. So I always match my foundations to my neck as much as I can. I'm going to use my Pineapple Cosmetics Cover and Hiding Liquid Concealer, and this is in the shade brown, 37 brown. I'm going to put it right here. We're doing a soft glam, so we don't want anything extra. So I went in for this concealer because it's not that bright, it's just mild. I'm just going to hydrate my face a little bit. Then we go ahead to blend the concealer in. This concealer dries down very quickly, so when you apply it, you don't have to wait for it to dry, or else it's going to be difficult for you to blend. Okay, you guys should check out Pineapple Cosmetics. I'm going to leave their handle somewhere here on Instagram, and they have very affordable makeup products. If you're a beginner, you're starting up makeup, they have quality affordable products for everybody, every skin type, every skin shade, which you're going to love very much. So you guys should check them out and then make some purchases from them. Okay, now let's blend the edges of the blended concealer so that it looks seamless into the skin. Let's set this in place, and I'm using my Kleancolor setting powder. Because I have oily skin, I tend not to go in with a lot of cream products on my face. I just go in for more powders so my makeup can last long for me. So up till now with my concealer, I just go in with powder blush, bronzer or contour. I don't go in for like cream contours, cream blush and all that. Sometimes I do, but it's once a while. Okay, when I'm going out and I want my makeup to be like matte, I'll prefer to go in for powder instead of cream. I'm going to set the entire face and I'm using my Blossom powder. This also helps my makeup to stay long. I mean, when I set my face like this, it helps my makeup to stay long rather than going in with the face powder and just pressing the product in. Setting my entire face with the setting powder helps me a lot. It helps me a lot. My skin is looking very set and I'm going to use this dark shade from my Issa and Those palette. This is Mocha 240. Going to bronze or contour with that. I'm going to blush up my cheeks and I'm using this mature shade from the It's Girl palette, blush palette. So soft, it's very, very soft, so nothing extra. This is the end of our soft glam makeup tutorial and I love how this turned out. I hope you did as well. If you did like the video, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and also subscribe. Join the family, we'd love to have you here. Leave your video suggestions, video requests and everything you want to say in the comment section below. Don't be rude though, don't be rude, please. Thank you guys so much for staying tuned with me till this part. I love you guys so much and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye bye.